Manny Pacquiao vs. Barrios Livestream. How to watch the premier boxing champions live online. If you purchase an independently reviewed product or service through a link on our website, Variety may receive an affiliate commission. Vegas, baby. Premier boxing champions goes to the gambling capital of the world tonight, where boxing icon Manny Pacquiao, 62-82, takes on WBC welterweight world champion Barrios, 29-21, with his title up for grabs. Pacquiao vs. Barrios takes place on Saturday, July 19 at MGM Grand Garden Arena in Las Vegas, Nevada, with a start time of 8 p.m. ET/5 p.m. PT. The main event is set for 12 rounds starting around 11 p.m. ET/8 p.m. PT. How to watch Manny Pacquiao vs. Barrios online. Want to watch the PBC fight online? Manny Pacquiao vs. Barrios Livestream is available to watch for $79.95 on Prime Video. You don't have to be an Amazon Prime subscriber to watch the fight, but you do have to get purchase access for the pay-per-view live stream. If you're not an Amazon Prime member, you can sign up for a 30-day free trial to take advantage of all that the subscription service has to offer, including access to Prime Video, Prime Gaming, and Amazon Photos. Fast free shipping in less than 2 days with Prime delivery, in-store discounts at Whole Foods Market, access to exclusive shopping events such as Prime Day and Black Friday, and much more. Learn more about Amazon Prime and its benefits here. Manny Pacquiao vs. Barrios odds and predictions. For the main event, Barrios is the favorite to win against Pacquiao. Oddsmakers give Barrios a -313 moneyline, while Manny Pacquiao received a line of +260 as the underdog. Want more odds? If you're looking for last-minute tickets to the boxing event, they're still available on third-party resellers sites such as StubHub, Ticket Network, and Vivid Seats. In fact, you can save $150 off when you spend $500 with promo code Variety150, or $300 off when you spend $1,000 with promo code Variety300 at Ticket Network. In addition, you can use Variety's exclusive promo code VAR30 for $20 off at Vivid Seats. Taking place on Saturday, July 19, Manny Pacquiao vs. Barrios is available to stream on Prime Video starting at 8 p.m. ET/5 p.m. PT, with coverage starting at 6 p.m. ET/3 p.m. PT. Fight card, 8 p.m. ET/5 p.m. PT. * welterweight. Manny Pacquiao.